It is creatively designed with BT 5.0, RFID and GSM unlocked machinism, rechargeable battery up to 5,000 mAh maximum, can last a 4-week standby, along with cut wire tamper-proof alarm report by using IP67 waterproof standard, which is the ideal solution for modem container and truck transportation, application to cold solution, food delivery, fuel oil transportation, valued goods security, mining transportation, medical vacuum shipment and so on. Additional feature: by using BT 5.0, it load to 10 to 20 Bluetooth sensors in cold solution transportation for temperature and humidity monitoring 24/7. AT-16 with smart size as hand full holding size helps convenient for IoT and telematics application and solution.